you know that besides the title, that your thumbnail is one of the main components of getting people to click and watch your videos? Okay, what's a thumbnail? A thumbnail is the little still picture that viewers will see before they even be able to click on your video. A good versus a bad thumbnail can possibly make or break your video. Here in this tutorial, I will show you a fast, easy, quick way to make thumbnails. Let's get it. In this video, I will be showing you how I made these thumbnails using CANVA. CANVA is a really cool app or website where I use to design my banners, my YouTube intro, my thumbnails, and much more. So if you've never heard of CANVA, I will be putting the link in the description. You can download it for free. They also have a paid premium subscription, but I just used the free one. It worked pretty well. I just want to say, if you're enjoying this video and you want to see more videos like this, feel free to hit the subscribe button right below. I'll also be doing monthly art giveaway. This month I will be doing a free portrait art giveaway. So all you have to do is just make sure you are subscribed. Leave a comment below telling me what picture you want me to draw. It means so much to you. So you might can say, I wanted you to draw my mother because I love her so much, or brother because he's my best friend, etc. So all you have to do is just make sure you subscribe and comment below telling me why you want me to draw it. That's it. Okay, back to the video. First, we are going to create a still image. We can use it from a video, we can use it from a picture, we can just find one, or we can just create one. So here, we can just imagine that we just got done making a blog, a vlog, a tutorial, a video, and we want to make a thumbnail. So what I would do is, at the end of recording, I let the camera roll for 20-30 seconds and just make facial expressions, pointing gestures and stuff, so we can do a couple like pointing in the sky, or shark, or looking up, or move over a little bit and just point the other way. So now I have stills where I can go through the frame and pause it, either screenshot or export the picture. Alright, next, make sure you have CANVA installed, downloaded, or open up on the desktop version. This version I will be using the desktop. I also have made a video using CANVA on the mobile app, so either one is going to be pretty neat. So I'm going to do this version up on the laptop.
So first thing I'm doing is, as I said earlier, exporting or saving a still picture. So I went through it and I found this one that I liked the best. So I froze it and now I'm saving it as a picture. So I can, when I open up CANVA, I will be able to take the background out and make my thumbnail. You also can screenshot your picture using your cell phone or any type of editing device that you are using. Just screenshot it or export it. So now we over here at CANVA. I'm just going to type in YouTube thumbnails and see what pop up. Okay, I'm going to pick any one of them. So I like this one. So we're going to edit this one. So now I pick this one. It's easy template. That's what I love about CANVA. I can just click on this and erase that. So now I can edit the words to what I wanted to say. It's just like a click and paste format. So now, since I got CANVA, I deleted that picture. Now I'm going to add the picture that I want to add. And that's that screenshot that I took earlier. So I added that. And I'm about to show you something that's so cool about CANVA. You can actually erase the background using CANVA. And let me show you how to do it. So after you paste the picture where you want it, click on edit image and just click background remover, and it's going to do it for you automatically. It's pretty neat. Boom, background gone. Didn't do a perfect job, but most of it did about 90% good job. If you look closer, you will see like it's a little green in my hair still, but that's okay. So now I'm going to flip it because I want to point the other way. Okay, pretty neat. line it up, make it go to the edge. So, and I'm pretty much just click and drag, enlarge it to make it fit. It's pretty neat. Next, I'm going to change the words into what I want it to say. So you just double click on it and start typing what you want to put. And I'm going to put how to create thumbnails. Change the size, make it fit how you want it to fit. Fast, easy, and free. Usually I will make my thumbnails at the end after recording, but some people say make the thumbnails first. Some people say you always should make your title and description and thumbnails first, but I do it at the end after recording, so that's what worked for me. So there's no specific rule, like if you don't make your thumbnail first, you're gonna lose. So next, I'm gonna add a couple images because I'm using Canva. So I'm gonna get the Canva logo and I'm gonna add that also. So I'm gonna add the Canva logo, upload the Canva logo, and then crop it, scale it, and paste it somewhere on my thumbnail where I think it'll fit. So I think right here in this bottom corner would be pretty neat, pretty cool. Next, I'm going to go and get the Photoshop logo and put the Photoshop logo on there. You can use Photoshop or Canva. Adjust your thumbnails how you want it, the fonts and where you want to put them. Adjust your words. Next, I'm going to go get a couple of my thumbnails that I made in the past and post them on there. I go one of my thumbnails. I go another one of my thumbnails and I'm going to post that right next to that one. And I'm done. So all I got to do now is just save it. When I upload my video, add my thumbnail. I download it as a PNG. And I'm done. That's it. That easy. I can show it in my folder. Now I have it. And that was that easy. So if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe again. It was fast, it was easy, and it was free. Now you have your own thumbnail. People can see what the video is going to be about before they be able to click on it. You got your own screenshots, you got your own everything. So it's pretty neat. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. And don't forget to enter my free portrait contest. Thanks for watching.